English conversation at the bank.
Part 1. Hi, I'd like to open a bank account.
Of course. Do you have your ID with you?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. What kind of account would you like to open?
I'd like a savings account, please.
Certainly. How much would you like to deposit today?
I'd like to deposit $100.
Great. Please fill out this form.
Okay, do I write my name here?
Yes, and your address below it.
Can I use this pen?
Yes, of course.
How long will this take?
It usually takes about 10 minutes.
That's pretty quick.
Yes, it's a simple process.
Will I get a debit card today?
Yes, we'll issue one for you today.
That's great. Thank you.
You're welcome. We do our best to make the process as easy as possible.
Thanks for your help.
My pleasure. Please sign here.
Okay, I'm signing now.
Perfect. Your account has been opened.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
Part 2.
I'd also like to ask about a checking account.
Sure. A checking account is designed for everyday spending.
What's the difference between a checking account and a savings account?
A savings account earns interest, while a checking account is mainly for daily transactions.
Oh, that makes sense.
Would you like to open a checking account as well?
Yes, I think that would be useful.
Great. I'll prepare another form for you.
Is there a monthly fee?
There is a small monthly fee, but it's waived if you maintain a minimum balance.
What's the minimum balance?
You need to keep at least $500 in the account.
That sounds reasonable.
Most customers don't have any trouble meeting that requirement.
Can I manage this account on my phone?
Absolutely. You can use our mobile banking app.
How do I download it?
Just search for our bank's app in the App Store or Google Play.
That sounds easy enough.
It is, and you can check your balance, transfer money, and much more.
Can I also pay bills through the app?
Yes, you can pay bills, transfer money, and even deposit checks.
Wow, that's really convenient.
We try to make banking as convenient as possible.
I appreciate all the information.
Of course, that's what I'm here for.
How long does it take to set up the app?
Usually just a few minutes after your account is activated.
Perfect. I'll set it up tonight.
Sounds good. Let me know if you need any help.
I will. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Part 3. Actually, I've also been thinking about getting a credit card.
That's a great way to start building your credit history.
I'm a little nervous about using a credit card, to be honest.
That's completely understandable, but it can be very useful if you use it responsibly.
What kind of rewards do your credit cards offer?
We offer cards with cash back, travel rewards, and even no annual fee options.
The cash back option sounds appealing.
It's one of our most popular choices because you earn rewards on your everyday purchases.
What's the interest rate?
It depends on your credit score, but it's typically between 18 and 24%.
That sounds pretty high.
It can be, which is why I always recommend paying your balance in full every month.
I definitely plan to do that.
That's the best way to avoid paying interest.
Do I need a certain credit score to qualify?
A good credit score certainly helps, but we also have options for first-time cardholders.
I don't have much credit history yet.
In that case, a secured credit card might be a great place to start.
How does a secured credit card work?
You make a security deposit, and that amount becomes your credit limit.
That sounds like a safer option for someone like me.
Exactly. It's a safe way to build your credit over time.
I feel a lot better about it now.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like to apply today?
Yes, I think I'm ready.
Great. Let's go through the application together.
Thanks for explaining everything so clearly.
My pleasure. I want you to feel confident about your decision.
I really appreciate your patience.
Of course. That's what I'm here for.
This has been really helpful.
I'm happy to hear that.
Part 4. If I ever needed a loan, would it affect my credit score?
Yes, it could, especially if you miss payments or borrow more than you can comfortably repay.
What if I wanted to get a car loan?
We'd look at factors like your income, credit history, and existing debts.
Would it be better to save up instead of taking out a loan?
That depends on your situation, but saving first usually means paying less interest overall.
I hadn't thought about it that way.
A lot of people don't realize that until they compare the numbers.
If I compared a 5-year loan with a 3-year loan, which would be better?
A shorter loan usually has higher monthly payments, but you'll pay less interest overall.
So it's really a trade-off between lower monthly payments and paying less interest.
Exactly. It depends on your budget and your financial goals.
What would you recommend for someone who's just getting started?
I'd recommend building an emergency fund before taking on any major loans.
How much should I have in an emergency fund?
Most financial experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses.
That sounds like a lot.
It does at first, but saving a little each month really adds up.
If I set up automatic transfers every month, would that help?
Definitely. Setting up automatic transfers makes saving much easier.
I like that idea.
It also helps you avoid spending money you meant to save.
Can the bank help me set that up?
Absolutely. We can schedule automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account.
That would make managing my money much easier.
It really does, especially if you have a busy schedule.
I feel like I've learned a lot today.
I'm glad to hear that. Financial planning becomes much easier once you understand the basics.
Thanks for taking the time to explain everything.
You're very welcome. I'm always happy to help customers make informed financial decisions.
I really appreciate it.
It's been my pleasure.
Part 5. Looking back, I realize I avoided dealing with my finances because it all felt overwhelming.
That's actually very common. Breaking things down into smaller steps makes the process much less intimidating.
If you had to choose between paying off debt quickly and investing early, which would you recommend?
It depends on the interest rate you're paying on your debt compared to the potential return on your investments.
That's something I hadn't really considered before.
In general, it's usually better to pay off high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, before investing heavily.
What about lower interest debt, like a car loan or a student loan?
In that case, investing while making your regular loan payments may be the better long-term strategy.
I guess it really comes down to comparing the numbers.
Exactly. And also choosing an approach you're comfortable with.
If I wanted to start investing, could the bank help with that too?
Absolutely. Our financial advisors can work with you to create an investment plan that matches your goals.
That would be really helpful, especially since I'm still learning about investing.
Take your time. Most people build their financial knowledge gradually over the years.
I appreciate you saying that. It takes some of the pressure off.
Financial confidence comes from consistent habits, not perfection.
If you could give me just one piece of advice, what would it be?
Start early, stay consistent, and never hesitate to ask questions.
I'll definitely keep that in mind.
I'm sure you'll do well because you're asking all the right questions.
Thank you for helping me understand all of this today.
It's always rewarding to help someone feel more confident about their financial future.
I came in feeling uncertain, but now I'm leaving with a clear plan.
That's exactly what we hope every customer leaves with.
I'll definitely come back if I have more questions.
Please do. We'll always be happy to help.